I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to sign out of the Netflix app on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Netflix app on your Android device and then tap My Netflix in the menu on this screen. The My Netflix screen opens. Step 2. Tap the menu icon. A menu pops up. Step 3. Tap Sign Out. A window opens letting you know that signing out of this app means you'll also be signed out of all other Netflix apps on this device. Step 4. Tap Sign Out again. You'll be signed out of your Netflix account on this Android device immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.